How to download iCloud contacts to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. Scroll down and turn on the Contacts feature as shown. Now, go back and open up the Contacts application. As you can see, all the contacts are backed up and synced to iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily download iCloud contacts to iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.